Hello, I'm Scott from WarmlyYours, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video on our thermostat, so stick around. Okay, well let's see what's inside the box. So let's go ahead and take this apart, and just keep in mind this thermostat is the same as all of our thermostats. They all come with a floor sensor, so the floor sensor is exactly in the same place for each one. So we take the cover off, we then open the box, and when we do that, we can take our thermostat out of the box. Once we take the thermostat out of the box, there is an insert inside, and this insert can come out. And behind that insert are the screws that you will use to attach it to the thermostat box. Here is our sensor. It's behind the thermostat. Don't forget to take this out and give it to your flooring installer. And finally, your instructions. Now that we see the contents in the box, let's talk about the sensor again. The sensor is located in the back. Don't forget to give that to your installer. But keep in mind, your heating product, your floor heating product, may contain a sensor also that's attached to it. So that will give you two sensors, the sensor inside the box and the sensor attached to the heating product itself. Install both of them in the floor, and then only one gets wired to the thermostat. The other one stays coiled up in the back of the thermostat box. Well, that wraps up our unboxing video. If you have any questions, you can always check us out at www.warmlyyours.com or give us a call at 800-875-5285. Thanks for watching.